What's up guys, Tech Hyped here. It is the weekend and still we haven't seen the iOS 14 beta 5. It looks like Apple is again changing the schedule. So it is expected that iOS 14 beta 5 will bring stability improvements as iOS 14 beta 4 is just not good. It is just having so much issues.
And that's the reason I have not installed it on my 10.
So it looks like Apple has changed the schedule and my prediction says that it will come out today, the day you are watching this video, and or 17th of August. So and yes, it all depends on when you are watching this video. Maybe you're watching this video and after 1 hour it will drop update, or the update is already dropped. So it is really hard to judge Apple schedule because every time Apple drops betas, they change their schedule for some reason. Now talking about the follow-up of iOS 14 beta 4, I have been using iOS 14 beta 4 on my iPhone 7 and it is not at all good. That's why I haven't updated on my 10 and I'm using my 10 on the beta 3, and thank God I am not updated. That's why I'm saying go and follow me on Twitter and don't update or your primary device to the beta because it is not at all good. And on my Twitter, as you can see, I post these things, and if you want to get updates, the fastest tech updates and iOS updates you will get on my channel, and more faster updates will get on my Twitter. So talking about the Apple news, Apple have banned Fortnite for some reasons, for some payment related issues, and it is said that Fortnite is suing Apple thousands of dollars case, and on beta 5 the Fortnite may come back. What is your opinion on this? Be sure to drop and give it a like if you do end up enjoying this video. So talking about the bugs I faced in the beta 4 is a lot. Like seriously, I can just go and this video will be of 1 hour, and just there are so many bugs. So the first bug was related to the call just on my device. My call just hangs up for no reason. The call fail thing is happening again and again. It is not related to my network issues. It is going good on my 10 but not on my iPhone 7, as I changed my SIM cards day to day in order to test for you all. Another bug that I faced in this is my device for respringing a lot of times, especially while using social media apps such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. These all apps were just causing my device to respring for no reason, and there is still no update to fix it. Next thing is related to AirPods and Apple Watch. So on Apple Watch, my friend uses it, and he said that Apple Watch battery percentage and AirPods battery percentage that I have also noticed is showing wrong in the widget, and the widget is somehow widgets are not at all good in beta 4. As you can see on the screen, I have posted this on my Twitter, and the widgets are just duplicated for no reason. So that's it for today's video. If you do end up liking this video, be sure to give it a good old thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Till then, peace out. Have a great day or night though. I will meet you all in the very next episode.